Welcome. Today in front of me T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with a charger brick inside the box. So first let's open the box. Let's check here this paper box also. And here we can find only paperwork and the USB Type-C cable, and unfortunately we have not here any charger brick. So if you want to use the charger brick with your T-Phone 6 Pro, you should buy it separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.